Good morning, 7th class. In chapter 6, today we will do the properties related to isosceles or right triangle. First we take isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle is that triangle in which two sides are equal. Suppose it is 3 centimeter, it is 3 centimeter and it is 4 centimeter. So we call it isosceles triangle. And right triangle in which one of its angle is of 90 degree. That we call right triangle. It is isosceles triangle. Properties of an isosceles triangle. Each of angle of an isosceles triangle has special name. The two equal angles opposite to equal sides are called base angles. And the third angle is known as the vertex angle. If only one angle of an isosceles triangle is known, the other two angles can be determined. If the vertex angle is known, subtract its measure from 180 and divide the difference by 2, since there are two base angles. For example, if the vertex angle measure 50 degrees, suppose it is the angle of 50 degree, then the measure of each base angle is 180 minus 50 divided by 2. 180 minus 50 is 130 divided by 2. Each angle is of 65 degree. If one angle of base angle is known, suppose we know one angle, double its value and subtract the result from 180 to find the measure of vertex angle. For example, if each base angle is measure of 70 degrees, suppose one of its angle is 70 degree. How can find vertex angle? We take 180 minus 2 multiply by 70 degree. And what we will get? Angle is of 40 degree. So, vertex angle is of 40 degree. In a right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse, it is a hypotenuse, it is a base and it is a perpendicular. In a right angle triangle, the square of its hypotenuse is equal to the sum of square of its two legs. This is known as Pythagoras property. Suppose we take A, B and C here. So hypotenuse square AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. It we call Pythagoras property. First question we have, two poles of 10 meter and 15 meter stand upright on a plain ground. If the distance between the tops is 13 meter, find the distance between their feet. First we make two poles. Let one is of 10 meter and another is of 15 meter. 10 meter, 15 meter. We have to find the distance between their feet. This difference we have to find. Here is 10 meter. So it is also of 10 meter. Pole is of 15. So what is 15 minus 10? It becomes 5 meter is left. 10 plus 5 is 15. Join these tops. Distance between the tops is 13 meter. So we take triangle A, B, C. triangle ABC. AB square equal to BC square plus AC square. AB is 13 meter square equal to BC we have to find, and AC is 5 meter square. 13 into 13, 169 meter square. BC square plus 5 is a 25 meter square. 169 meter square minus 25 meter square equal to BC square. 169 minus 25 we have 144 meter square equal to BC square. Now we have to find square root of 144 meter square equal to BC. 12 into 12 is 144. So 12 meter is BC. So distance between their feet is 12 meter. On the basis of it, students, try to solve some of your book exercise 6.4. Thank you so much, students.